Okay, recorded. Quite. I don't know. Let me see that video. See if I've got a clip in there. Walking the video. See. See what it looks like. This is okay. Put it on anyways. Okay, got that. Let's see if I can get it right. Turn the belt. crack piles underneath the cord. Turn the light on. Okay. I can edit that out a little bit. I don't barely have enough power on the camera. Let's charge it a little bit. Anyways, here's my, okay, I'll show it right here. I have to pull it out. Here's my 52 Electrolux XX model. I have this one restored. I put a different motor in it. So it's the same motor anyways, but it's pretty XX model 1952. So it's a little dusty. I get down, it's hard on my knees. Ow. So, My grandma used to have one of those. Actually, my grandma used to have one of those things anyways a long time ago, so yeah, this is pretty good. So, yep. XX model. I've never seen like this kind of couple. Some kind of black probably, or gray color, look a little black, something like that. But I got all the attachment. I restore some of them. But I have to have a full battery camera to show this anyway sometime. So we're gonna have to get up. That's hard. Yeah. Okay, I get where the nozzle is. Okay, go upstairs with this one. Gotta make a different shot because I can't really. Little battery's getting low, so I have to do this fast. Yeah, this happened around something about 2 in the morning. But it was a light bulb actually went shattered on the floor. So gotta back it up this whole floor, but it's not better. So let's see, everything's on. You can hear me. Yeah, it was this bulb right here. It was another bulb and stuff shattered. It got over the. I don't want to shatter another one. I don't want to drop this one and do it again. This cleanup was about around 2:55, something. I don't know, around 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't remember exactly. Shatters over the floor and all the glasses over the floor. It was like, God, it was like I had to clean up the mess. So I didn't really clean it up. I put it on the side, but I ended up about 9, around 10 o'clock in the morning. I got up and got my Kirby out and cleaned all the glass up. And my mom, what are you doing? No. So when somebody came over, I said, I broke a bulb. And this morning we have some trouble with rain. Every damn thing happened this morning. Like every darn. God, it was like horrible this morning. Like we have a drain pipe goes off and something happened. Oh God. What a moron. So I'm delayed for a couple hours with the cleaning up the mess on the floor. Then this waking me up about something happened. Mom comes downstairs about around 2 o'clock in the morning and on the computer. What are you doing? Oh! It was one of those days in there. So everything is okay right now. It's fine. We have fixed the drain anyways. Our outside drain is on for the outside drain pipe where it goes down and then the water comes out, so it don't go in the basement anyways. And that was the mom's worry. Bleak. Here's my other one. Okay, I'll plug this one in, but I gotta do it fast. I want to get some stuff done. So this is right in the corner. You can see. Yeah, let's plug it in some way. It's pretty light anyways. Can you see me? Yeah, it's really light. Oreck XL. That was really good. We got a small one. I'm going to find one of those and match it up probably. Should look on the internet for one. Really try to find a 19. This is a 1981. 1988. Let's see if I can find one once. I'm going to go on the internet. Yes. Is a Oreck XL. Pretty good one. Oops. Oh, this is my mother's vacuum cleaner. You know, it's really cool. Anyway, yeah, it's handy to have. It's so lightweight. So when I have a hernia one time surgery, I had to use this one, but I use a lighter one so I don't use the heavy Kirby's and stuff and lifting them because they're pretty heavy. Now I can lift them. I'm physical, I'll be more stronger. Yeah, that's cool. There's a pulley attachment right here. Oh, I can't really see it that good, so I might show it. Okay, put the camera down. Wait, pause it. That's covering it. Oop. That's right there. See, oh, damn. On the off again. Try to get it in more. Wait, scoot up to the camera. It's hard to see. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, that's all I have to put. Get back to the other one. I'll pause it anyways and yeah, I might show it a little differently because it's a weird angle. Okay. Try to get it clean today. Kind of a weird angle right now because of this angle of the room. If I try to get a tray, I could do it anyways. It would be kind of hard to say I can get a tray. But this bathroom's not really dirty, but sometimes it gets dirty, so I have to wipe it down with I use the Kirby and stuff. Anyways, today, yeah, I wish the weather gets a little better today. It's only going to be high of what the temperature ever. I will look it up on the internet on my iPhone. So here's the vacuum I'm using this one today. Yeah, so here I love it fixed stuff. I'm doing a little project right now, trying to build a web page and watching some videos and anyways. So yeah, back to again doing it again. Okay, the first mistake I make today is show my it's kind of embarrassing, but no, something happened, so I have to get really careful and showing. I don't know, one of those days sometimes will happen usually. So I gotta get this thing on right here so I can switch around and take off the M-Tour. So I have to get down there. I want to, so make sure I don't take that off. Take this off right here. The bag up. Switch around. Look, I deal with Kirby for many years, and I like to clean this one up a little bit. Hard to get on. Oh. I got that on. That seems completed all. Only thing I don't got is the handy. Only thing I don't got is a handy butler for this Kirby, anyways. So I got some attachments for it, anyways. It's pretty cool. I have Kirby since 1987. Yeah, I was back in high school. So I switch this around all direction. Put this on. I got that on. It's a little noisy anyways. Let's say I can get it done. I can get it, eat lunch. So I'm ready. I might put this back together this afternoon and show the video of it putting it back together anyways. Soon I get done with the bath upstairs. I want to get the rug nozzle back a little bit upstairs if I get the chance this afternoon. To get the bed done. Outside somebody's put their dock out already in April. I see something out there, but I don't see anybody out there right now. It's weird. April, what it was? I don't know. It's supposed to warm up this next week. Hopefully, because it's in the 60s anyways. That'd be good. It's cold. A long time ago, right above there, 1993. I had an older brother named Johnny. He was had epilepsy, and he had like seizures. I don't have them anyways. I'm pretty lucky anyways. But anybody who have them, you can comment. What it feel like when you I was 17 years old. We used to have we had a couch down here still, and what happened when I was really young and stuff, around 17, he had a grand mal seizure, and it was so weird. Like, stick his tongue out, and I never seen this in my lifetime. I had to see a seizure for years, but well, what happened? He went up the stairs. Also, he had a seizure. Boom! Fell down here, stairs backward. So, yeah, I don't have a brother anymore. I look like him, but I'm actually really skinny. My brother was John Johnson. I was Bill Johnson, anyways. So we look like an identical twin, anyways. He's buried up at Elmhurst Cemetery. I don't know where. I know where he is, but I will not tell where he is buried exactly because it's kind of private to me. And no, that's not good. No. So he was a kind of like a janitor. He did work that he had a couple of jobs, but don't make enough money. He didn't make enough money. Yeah, have a get going. 1993 he died. How many years ago? 25? 26? I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, I gotta use this right here to clean it anyways. Got the holes on it. It's really cool. So, yeah. It's kind of dark in here, but I have like a light on here so they can see me. So, I gotta clean it up a little bit. Yeah, I got the holes on reverse anyways for the blower on it, anyways. That is the vacuum part of it, with the crystallizers on it. So this part is the crystallizer. That part's the crystallizer, and this is the blower part of it. Yeah, it's a nice vacuum. I'd like to get one of those other Kirby's, one of those Heritage 2, something like that. got in there. Waste of water. The water of the You gotta be so careful anyways when you use this thing so you don't spray toward the vacuum cleaners. You'll get shocked probably. There's a lot of dust around here. I might use my other one sometime to clean it. I'll get some water in there and the thing clean it up a little bit. Why I can show you this with the thing spray into the ground. Let's see, I'll get anything wet. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it. Right here. Okay, let's gotta see, get more different angle to see it anyways. Let's see. Right here. Let's see how we'll do it. Water go in the holes of this thing. Okay. Gotta eat some lunch right now. I'm just getting done a little bit anyways. So clean it up a little bit. Gotta be really careful with the vacuum cleaner so you don't get any water on it because you get like an electric shock. So don't spray it toward the Kirby because you get those things are 120 volts anyways. You probably know that. So safe. God, it hurts. Hit my toe. Okay, I'll turn it on again. It's trying to get in different angles. This is really hard. Okay, I'm going to turn around like this. gotta put away anyways and gotta do some other stuff. You can't see me right now. I'm back here anyways. So I gotta get the handle on. So get it back together, get on my knees again. Oh, I just may get it off like that. Get all the stuff off the holes. Never put it away, put this handle away. It's better. Oh. We'll put the nozzle on, the rug nozzle. This was the ants vacuum cleaner one time. Let's see, I got up there. I think it's up. Adjust it. I've done this a million times on Kirby's. Put the other handle up. I put another shot in for the shoulder. There you go. How cool. Okay, put on the part. That's easy. I'll get this on. Should like coming out this area, so the cord goes like this. We're gonna find a little clip. I lost that area. Here it is. Yeah, come on. That's probably just made in Cleveland, Ohio, I think. Got it. Okay. I'm gonna put all this stuff away and turn the camera on. Don't have the. Okay. Well, I'm getting thirsty a little bit. I'll take a drink. I gotta put this away anyways first. So I gotta get, this is the original box for this thing. It's really good shape anyways. So this is tools for it, all the original tools for it. So I got, put this back. I get the hose back. The hose is pretty good shape in this. Whoa. Wait a minute. Okay. I got all this thing. So, okay. Okay. I got the nozzle off. It's off the holes. Usually dust on the floor comes out and you don't dust coming off the nozzle. From the tree I can vacuum it up easy. Okay, I'll put this on top. I'm thirsty. I just went to the, and it's kind of thirsty right now. So what else I put back? Like a strap. This is a strap from my Oreck XL. I have. So okay, I got this back. Close it. See all the attachment. You see it closer enough. See. I'll zoom it in more. I'll show it closer. This is all the attachments for it. Anyway, they're hard to see, but it's a good shape. It's really good shape. It's probably got this thing out of a garage sale. I'm low on par, jeez. So one more shot and I have to edit in. So yeah, okay. Put that away. I gotta do it fast. I don't have enough power, enough battery life. Okay, I shot it in. I'm going to do it right here. I'm finished. I'm going to charge this thing up.